Hi, I'm NorthWestWind, and in case you don't know, we make animations on this channel. Now, in every animation I publish, I actually included the softwares I use to create that animation. We call this a software stack. So it's basically just the combination of these softwares. So today I want to talk about these softwares and how I use them to make the animations you watch and enjoy, hopefully. What you're seeing right here is the animation folder of the rainy day animation that I released in May this year. And I cannot go back to the parent folder because there will be some spoilers for this Christmas animation, so bear with me for now. There are 3 programs I use to create my animations. First of all is Inkscape, which creates these SVG files. So let's click on one and take a look at it. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, and Inkscape is an editor for this kind of vector graphics. If you don't know what vector graphics is, you can watch the video where I try to draw a squid on stream. To recap, some good stuff about vector graphics is I can just click on this and edit the points and make the shapes different. You know, this integral right here, she is all just a bunch of points. So the first step of creating the animation is actually not here. It's actually in my brain. Typically, I spend about 2 weeks to fully think of an idea of an animation, all the scenes that I need, everything that I want to put into the animation, and then I will start making SVGs. Now, these SVGs are actually scenes that I have. You can see I've organized them in numbers and the names. So I know, like, the first scene will be the clouds, second will be like the bridge and stuff, and the third scene here is the street. Now we can move on to the next software in the stack, which is Synfig Studio. I actually don't know if that's how I read it, but I hope it is. So basically, this is a vector graphics animation thing. You can see that I have done my animations here, so it's just integral running. You can actually play this right now. And this is how I make my animation. Add the info from editor North here. The hot day animation is actually the first one to ever use Synfig Studio for animating. All the previous ones are just static images made with Inkscape. So you can go check it out. One very simple thing you can do to start out using Synfig is actually editing hair. Hairs are so easy to edit. Let me find another example. Okay, so what you're seeing here is the icon for chill season, as you have seen. Actually animated this slightly. As you can see, the very easy animation thing you can do is just move the hair. It loops basically from like every 2 seconds. And you edit this like a keyframe. It's actually very common in 3D animations that you see. So like most 3D animations are just keyframe editing, but this is taking the 3D part into 2D. Here, at 60 frames, I have moved this hair from this spot to this spot. And the program will automatically calculate like what's in between, so like 30 something. And if you want to start out trying to animate stuff, you know, this is the easiest to do. Alright, so now you know how to make the scene, and you know how to animate the scene. And this is the third thing that I use to make animations, which is my video editor, Kden Live, KDEN Live. I don't know how to read it. I missed a bunch of clips, hold on. Right, the reason the clips are missing was because I organized my storage. So okay, see, this is where I add the sounds. Basically, for this very specific example of the rainy day animation, this is where I stacked all the rain and particle stuff. So that you can see it's raining. We love integral, integral is so cute. I can see the synthesized version. like this. So this is just the editor, a video editor, that I actually use for most of my other videos that you watch on the channel. As you can see, this is where the sounds I add, like here. So that's how you can make an animation. The reason I think of making this video is because someone asked me if they can use some Marcia and Integral in their own animation, which I really love. I've been waiting for this moment for very long. I really want people to use my stuff as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you learned something or inspired by this video to make your own animation. In case you haven't realized yet, all of these programs are actually open source, so they're all free. You can just use them. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, good luck, and goodbye.